Hello, in this hint and tip we are going to have a look at charts within Excel. Now charts is quite a big topic within Excel, so we're going to do a few hints and tips on this topic for you. To begin with, we're just going to start off with the basics of how to actually create a chart itself. Creating a chart is a two-step process. You first of all need to select the data you want to create the chart from, then actually create the chart. In creating the chart, there are actually more than one way to do it, and I'm going to show you now the different ways you can use. Neither of them are right or wrong, it's just down to personal preference. First of all, we're going to select the data that you can see in front of you, and now I'm going to show you the number of different ways you can go about actually creating the chart itself. The first route, which may be the more traditional route that some of you may have heard of, is to go onto the Insert tab and go to the Charts section on your ribbon and select the chart that you wish to use. There are lots of different types of charts you can choose from. So of course there's column charts, line charts, pie charts, etc. If you are unsure about what type of chart to use for your data, you can select the recommended charts option and it will give you a selection of charts to choose from that Excel thinks works best with your data. The second route in creating your chart, once you've selected your data, is to go down to this little button here in the bottom right hand corner of your selected data. This is called your Quick Analysis option. If you click on this option, there is a heading for charts which you can select, and then same again, you can select the type of chart you wish from here. As you can see, it is giving you a preview of what the chart will look like if you created it. So this of course is another option you can create your chart by doing. The final option, which a lot of people like to use and is often a very popular one on our course, is a shortcut option. Once you've selected your data, press the F11 key on your keyboard, which I've just done, and you will see it has now created a chart straight away. If this doesn't work for you, not a problem. Some people have to use their function button and activate that first before pressing F11. So if when you press the F11 button it doesn't work, not a problem, just press the FN button on your keyboard, which is down the bottom left hand corner of your keyboard, and then press the F11 button after. This should then create the chart, as you can see on your screen, ready for you to then amend. So these are just the different ways you can create a chart within Excel. So that's just the basics to start you off. Our next hint and tip will look through actually adding details to your chart to make them stand out a bit more and make a bit more sense when you're displaying them.